Drucare. We are leading hospital software service providers in India and other countries. One-stop software solution for all of your hospital management needs. Our hospital management information system is certified by ABDM and the Quality Council of India. Trusted by more than 300 plus innovative healthcare organizations. Hundreds of happy clients are taking advantage of our Drucare software. Upgrade today to cloud-based hospital management system. These are our key features. Drucare understands the pain points of the hospital business, and we are here to give IT solutions to your problems. ABDM has started a digital health incentive scheme for hospitals and labs. To be eligible, hospitals should use ABDM certified Drucare software. Hospitals and diagnostics can get incentives up to 4 crores. To know how to avail this incentive scheme, contact Drucare and book a free demo right now. Share and refer your friends. Thank you.